Hello, let's figure out how to enlarge the mouse on your computer so you can see it so much better. This is a real game changer. It will help you whatever you do on the computer. I'll bet your mouse shows an arrow that is really small. That's what comes with a computer. It's a default. It's very small. Sometimes it's white. So let's change that so you can see what you're doing on your computer. All right, on your main screen, you can see I have a lot of different icons here. You could ignore that. But we're going to go down here to the bottom left. It might be in the bottom center on your computer. On mine, it's on the bottom left. Click your mouse in that search bar and type in mouse. And you'll see some choices we have here. What we're going to do is change the pointer size. So scroll up. See where it says change mouse pointer size. Click that. And here we have a place where we can change things. Now, you can see that my mouse, the pointer, is black and it's quite large. Very easy to see, whether it's on blue or whether it's on the white. If I go over here and click this white mouse, now you can see the pointer is white, which you can see well on the blue, but you can't see it well on the white at all. And most of the pages that you look at on the internet is going to have some white background. So I like going to this black. Click on the black, and now you can see the pointer is black. Now the pointer that you have is probably very small. Let's go change pointer size and color. Change pointer size. Do you see this middle bar here? Put your pointer right on it. Point, click your finger down on the mouse, hold it, and drag. Drag it to the left slowly. Now we're number 3, now we're number 2, now we're number 1, and look how small. Let go of it. And look, whoop, I'm sorry. Let go of it. And look how small the pointer is now. You can hardly see it. Let's go back. Put the pointer on the bar. Click down with your finger, hold it, drag, and let's go to number 5. That's where I like it. Now, if you go beyond, you can make the pointer much larger. And here's the problem with that. It's great. It's large, isn't it? But you want to have some control over where your cursor is placed on a document, on the page. And when it's this large, you can't really see where the cursor is going, and it will cover some of the text on the page. So it's not a great idea. Let's take it back here. Now, see, I don't even know how to get on that bar. Click and drag. Yeah, you have to find it again. See, that's not so easy. Click and drag. Go down to number 5 or 6, whatever you want. I like 5. Click it off. And now there's no place on this page to save, which should tell you that it will save right away. To get out of this, go up to the far right, upper right corner. See how when you put the pointer over the X, it turns red? That's how we're going to get out of this page. Click the red. And there you are. There is your mouse. If you like this, I hope you check out some other the videos, and please in the comment section let me know what you want to learn. Just basic things on the computer, but it'll help you navigate and search the web, and I'm going to show you a lot of things that you can do. Thank you very much.